Welcome to the top best. The best folding pliers is probably one of the most versatile tools you can own. From the compact design to the multiple functions, it's a must-have for any toolbox, glove compartment, or even your pocket. Today, we're diving deep into the world of folding pliers, exploring their features, and helping you decide if this multi-tool is the right fit for your needs. We'll cover everything from build quality to the different types of pliers available. Number 5. Gerber Dime 12-in-1 Mini EDC Multi-Tool, Black. This compact multi-tool has everything you need. It features needle nose pliers, a pocket knife, and a bottle opener, among other useful tools. It's the perfect companion for any task. Made from durable stainless steel, this tool is built to last. The butterfly opening and locking mechanism ensures the tools are secure when not in use. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. Whether you're a hunter, tradesman, or just need it for everyday carry, this is a great choice. It's an excellent addition to your camping gear, toolbox, or workwear. You'll find it indispensable. It's small enough to fit in your pocket or on a keychain. Weighing only 2.2 ounces, you'll barely notice it's there. It's perfect for camping and everyday carry. This product is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. This ensures the quality and reliability of this essential gear. You can trust it to perform when you need it. What we like. This multi-tool is packed with 12 essential tools, making it incredibly versatile. It's designed for convenience with a butterfly opening and locking feature. If you are looking for a compact and reliable EDC tool for everyday tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. Every single tool works great. It's about the size of a key fob yet packs 12 genuinely useful tools, from a sharp little blade and package opener to pliers, wire cutters, scissors, and a bottle opener that's ready to go even when the tool is closed. Build quality is solid, the stainless steel frame feels tight and secure, with just enough heft to inspire confidence without being bulky. Number 4. WETOLS 21-in-1 Multi-Tool, Ideal Gifts for Men. Looking for the perfect gift? This WETOLS multi-tool is a versatile 21-in-1 solution. It's designed to handle a wide range of tasks, making it an essential tool for anyone. This multi-tool includes pliers, screwdrivers, a knife, and more. It has everything you need for home repairs, camping, and outdoor adventures. It's like having a whole toolbox in your pocket. This is a great gift for men and women. It's ideal for birthdays, Father's Day, or any special occasion. Give the gift of preparedness with this amazing tool. Made from durable stainless steel, this tool is built to withstand tough conditions. Its compact size and ergonomic design make it comfortable to use and easy to carry. It's a reliable companion for any situation. The self-locking design ensures safe use and storage. It comes with an EDC pouch for easy carrying. Plus, it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty, so you can buy with confidence. What we like. This multi-tool boasts an impressive 21 tools, making it a true all-rounder. Constructed of hardened stainless steel, it's built to last. If you need a versatile tool for various tasks, from DIY projects to outdoor adventures, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The pliers are strong and all the tools fold out smoothly. The build feels solid and sturdy, made of high-quality stainless steel, and the ergonomic handle is comfortable to use. The blade takes a good edge and even the sheath seems a better quality than most. Number 3. LEATHERMAN Wingman Multi-Tool, Stainless Steel. This is one of the best. Designed with premium materials, this is your go-to tool for projects around the house, on the job, or at the campsite. It is equipped with 14 tools to handle almost anything. It has a knife, pliers, screwdrivers, wire cutters, scissors, and more. This tool is versatile and ready for any task. The manufacturer is proud to stand behind every product. That's why they offer a 25-year warranty, so you can be confident it lasts a lifetime. You can open all the tools with one hand, even the ones that aren't accessible from the outside. With a locking blade, you can cut with confidence. With its compact size, lightweight design, and removable pocket clip, it is always within reach and ready to work. It is the perfect tool to have on you at all times. What we like. This tool offers 14 essential tools in a compact design. The one-hand opening feature adds to its convenience. If you value ease of use and a reliable tool backed by a long warranty, this is a great option. What people say. The pliers have a good grip and are easy to use. The folding mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. The tool is compact and easy to carry around. Number 2. Fangfo 14-in-1 multi-tool with safety locking. This tool has 14 different functions, including pliers, knives, and screwdrivers. It's designed to handle a variety of tasks, making it a versatile tool for many situations. Each tool locks securely when fully open, ensuring safe use. This feature prevents accidental closure during operation, providing added safety. You never know when you'll need a specific tool. This multi-tool is perfect for carrying in your pocket, so you'll always have the right tool at hand. It's ideal for outdoor activities like camping, fishing, and hiking. The tool is durable and sturdy, built to withstand daily use in various environments. Its compact size and foldable design make it easy to store and carry. It comes with a nylon pouch that can be attached to your belt, saving space. What we like. This multi-tool provides 14 functions and features a safety locking mechanism for secure use. The compact size and foldable design make it easy to carry. If you need a versatile and safe tool for outdoor activities, this is a great choice. What people say. The build feels solid, with the stainless steel construction giving it a reassuring weight without being too heavy to carry on hikes or keep clipped in a glove box. The tool selection covers just about everything I'd want in a pinch: pliers with good grip, a knife that holds an edge, screwdrivers that actually fit standard screws, and even a bottle opener that comes in handy more often than you'd think. The locking mechanism on the tools is an especially nice touch. It adds a layer of safety and makes it feel much more professional than some of the looser, budget multi-tools I've tried. Number 1. SWISS+TECH ST5310019-in-1 multi-tool. Introducing the SWISS+TECH ST53100, a compact 19-in-1 multi-tool. This keychain tool provides easy access to the tools you need. It includes 2 hex wrenches, 3 flathead screwdrivers, and 3 Phillips head screwdrivers. Also included are pliers, a wire cutter, and more. This tool is ideal for camping, hunting, and auto repair. It's designed for installing hardware and much more. Made of solid stainless steel construction with a polished finish, this multi-tool is built to last. You can rely on it for years to come. We specialize in repair and replacement hardware products. This commitment to quality ensures that repairs look as good as the initial install. What we like. This keychain tool offers an impressive 19 tools in a compact design. Made of solid stainless steel, it is built to last. If you like the convenience of having essential tools always at hand, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It easily fits on any keychain without being heavy or very large. To use the pliers wrench crimper, you just need to flip the other items back, which allows them to act as handles and have a way to use the wrench part. In my opinion, the most useful thing about this tool is that for its small size you get a good variety of usable small screwdrivers and a working wrench and pliers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.